Double the fun. Mastering double entendre in jokes. Hello, English language learners. Today, we're going to dive into the entertaining world of jokes. Specifically, we'll be focusing on a clever type of wordplay known as the double entendre. This is a technique often used in jokes to create humor, and it can add a wonderful layer of depth and creativity to your English language skills. A double entendre is a phrase or statement that has two meanings. It's a type of wordplay where the second meaning is often risque, suggestive, or ironic. For instance, consider the statement, "I'm reading a book about anti-gravity. It's impossible to put down." Here, "it's impossible to put down" can mean either it's hard to physically put the book down or the book is so interesting that you don't want to stop reading it. Recognizing a double entendre can be a challenge, especially for English language learners. It requires a good understanding of context and often a sense of cultural nuances or idiomatic expressions. One tip to recognizing double entendres is to look for phrases that could be taken in more than one way within the given context. Let's take the sentence, "The chicken crossed the road to get to the other side." In this classic joke, the other side could refer to either the other side of the road or, more humorously, the afterlife. Now that we understand what a double entendre is and how to recognize it, let's learn how to use it in jokes. One of the most common ways to use a double entendre in a joke is to set up an expectation with the first part of the joke, and then twist that expectation with a clever double entendre in the punchline. For example, consider this joke, "Why don't we ever tell secrets on a farm? Because the potatoes have eyes, the corn has ears, and the beans stalk." In this joke, the double entendre comes from the words eyes, ears, and stalk, which have both a literal meaning related to the vegetables and a metaphorical meaning related to spying. Mastering the use of double entendre in jokes is not only an excellent way to improve your English skills, but it also allows you to appreciate the humor and wordplay in English. Practice is key, so try to use double entendre in your conversations and watch how it brings a smile to people's faces. Remember, learning English can be fun, and jokes are a great way to make it even more enjoyable. Until next time, happy learning!